rice bonda. Just like aloo bonda or wheat bonda or all-purpose flour bonda, etc., etc. I am going to prepare rice bonda. For this, it's really a good variety of snack for the evening time. That too, for rainy season, it will really crispy and you will love it to have. Let us see what all ingredients we need to prepare the same. First of all, I have taken 2 small lime and its juice squeezed, little curry leaves, 2 to 3 red green chilli ripe one, little coriander leaves, little Asofoetida, salt to taste, little ginger and 1 small onion chopped. Along with this, as the main item, I have taken 1 cup of rice flour, that is something around 150 grams. And here I have taken 2 medium sized potatoes. Now here I have taken a small basin, and first of all let us add this rice flour towards it. Now this potato, lime, curry leaves, red chilli, coriander, ginger, salt, Asofoetida, onion. Make it in a dosa batter style. Like this, you have to mix everything together. Add little more water. You have to heat it and make it into a solid dough. So at the same time, the rice flour also gets cooked. Now once it gets solid, we have to leave it as it is so that it gets cooled down. Yes, now we will switch off the gas. My dough is ready. It has cooled down. Now we will just make small balls like this. See, I have made all that rice bonda dough into small balls. Now the next step is we have to fry all these items in a medium flame till it turns golden brown. We will wait for another 2-3 minutes. Our rice bonda is ready. We will lift it. Like this, you have to prepare all the rice bondas. It's very hot and crispy. See. So the combination for this is coconut chutney or coriander chutney, etc. And I think everybody enjoyed this particular video. So nice to be with you. Thank you.